Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Jeff, your new favorite YouTuber, here pumping out another tutorial on how to make something fantastic and delicious here in my kitchen. Now, last time you saw me in Brasso Seco, Trinidad and Tobago, and boy, let me tell you, I am not there anymore. I am back in rainy ass Vancouver, atmospheric river Vancouver, flood Noah's Ark under the water BC. And yeah, furthest thing away from the tropical paradise where you saw me last time. That said, I brought a bit of that tropical paradise home with me. And it's this right here. Now what you're looking at may seem innocuous, just this brown ball in my hand. No, it is not animal dung. This is actually the best chocolate in the world. I'm not kidding. This is chocolate that was grown in Brasso Seco, where you last saw me, up in the northern range of Trinidad and Tobago. It is the best chocolate in the world. It smells incredible. These are literally the beans that have been roasted, that have been churned and formed into these little balls. What they're perfect for is a thing that maybe a lot of you never heard of before. It's this thing called cocoa tea. Not to be mistaken with hot chocolate. Cocoa tea is this Criollo cocoa ball with some spices, bay leaf, nutmeg, cinnamon. We're gonna be throwing it all into a pot, creating this rich, beautiful cocoa tea, and then sweetening it a little bit with some milk and some sugar, because who are we kidding? The beautiful thing about these Criollo cocoa balls is that you get to really taste cocoa at its rawest and its truest forms. All of the tannins, those floral bits, it's truly, truly incredible. So hang tight, join me for the ride. It's gonna be a short one this time, and we're gonna be drinking some delicious and beautiful cocoa tea made from the best chocolate in the world. So here we have one entire cocoa ball all ground up, and it smells so delicious. It smells floral, bits of tannin. It's truly incredible. I'm gonna see how it tastes. Okay, for you dark chocolate lovers out there, for you 70% and up folks, you would die eating this. It is so good. Nothing but pure cocoa, nothing added, no sugar. Holy shit, that's good. Okay, moving on, we're gonna ground some nutmeg, some cinnamon, get it in a pot, and make our delicious tea. Here we go. Here's our nutmeg. We also brought this back from Trinidad. You can't see my face at all. Sorry. Here's our nutmeg. We also brought this back from Trinidad, and I actually found this on the ground while I was hiking under a nutmeg tree. Brought it back, dried it out, and now we're going to grate some fresh nutmeg. Sorry, you can't see my face. Trying to find a way where you can see my face, and it's too hard. I have to. I guess that's kind of better. Anyway, this nutmeg is so strong when you smell it, and that's plenty. Like this amount we have here. That's plenty nutmeg. You don't need more than that. One of the coolest things about nutmeg though is what it looks like on the inside. Can you see that? I'm gonna come close. See how it's kind of marbled on the inside? Come on camera, focus, focus. Woo. It's very beautiful on the inside. I just wanted to show that to you guys. Fresh nutmeg, also from Trinidad. Very cool. Okay, so the smells are tempting me. It's beautiful, it's floral, you can smell the tannins, it's gorgeous. Time to pour ourselves a little cup of cocoa tea. Now I want to give it a little taste without adding any cream or any sugar, just to get the pure cocoa taste. Oh my God. It's so rich and so earthy. Oh, it's delicious. This is so good. For those of you who love your dark chocolate, 70% and above, you dark chocolate fiends, you absolutely have to try this. It's so damn good. Oh my God. Okay. So, I'm not so much of a dark chocolate person, I'll admit it. This is delicious, but I like a little bit of sweetness. I like a little bit of, milk, a little thing like that. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that to mine and see what I get. Okay. Now this is my vibe. You know me, I like sweet. I like sweet, I like sugar. Ooh. I could drink this whole thing like I have to stop myself. It's so good. Okay. All right. So in Trinidad, for those of you who are interested, we eat this as part of breakfast. So I cut up a little orange slices. This is some fried bake, which is fried bread. So let's do the whole thing. Let's do the whole pairing right here, right now. Cocoa tea. Bite of the orange. And a little bite of this fried bread. You guys, I'm in absolute heaven. All you chocolate lovers out there, you gotta get your hands on some cocoa tea. Get some cocoa nibs, those will work. Get some cocoa balls from Trinidad or the Caribbean or Costa Rica, whenever you're down there, and try it. So good. Coming to you live from Atmospheric River Central, but feeling a bit more like I'm back home in TNT. Love you lots. Thanks for watching. Cocoa tea for the win.